So far, we are back home, and I quickly rushed to do some cooking. I cooked jollof rice because we didn't have anything living here in the morning. So these are the things we bought basically. And you guys, things are very, very expensive now. One need to double up their income because tell me why I bought this a carton for $40. Before we buy it $20, but now it's double the price. So things are really expensive. No wonder the economy is not stable like before. No wonder people are selling their home. No wonder a lot of things are just happening. But in all this, like I put in my Facebook, that God will continually supply all our needs. God will continually supply all our needs. Things are really expensive now. So let me start with this. This is chili pepper. We bought this for $4, 2 pounds. Chili pepper, you guys can see that. So we bought this. We have 3 cartons of this. We bought this $40, but we bought, I think, okay, we bought 6 boxes because we bought for our family friend. They sent us two, so we have 4 boxes of this. We bought 6 boxes for $200. We begged the guy before he could release it for us at that rate. So, and this one we bought it for $35. You guys, things are really expensive now. We bought turkey, we bought shrimps and fish. So this is a shrimps. Yeah, we bought a carton of this shrimp for $60. Yeah, you guys, if you've not watched the video of our shopping, look at it. I explained everything where we bought it for those people living in Boston, New Hampshire. So that's it, you guys. Let me just briefly show you how we bought. My boy is there. So these are the carton. This is a bell pepper. We bought 4 of this bell pepper. You guys can see that. We bought 1 box of tomatoes. I usually love to buy just few tomatoes. I make use of my pepper. This is the third one. This is the third one. Sorry for the noise, my kids are here. So we have 4 cartons of that. This is the fourth one. It's not bad. And the tomatoes, shrimps, a box of shrimp. Let me count how many we have there for you guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we bought it for $60. Before we got one for $13. So we asked if they sell the box. So this is $60. And this chicken, $13 ish. I think I bought, okay, this is one. It was cut for me. 2, it was cut for me. I have 3 in there, and this is the third one. So they have 301, but I requested that they cut it for me. Here is the carton of turkey. It was already cut. We bought 2 of it. This is the second one. And mackerel, you guys. So one thing, I don't need to pack these ones again. I will just pack them into Ziploc bag and prep them inside the freezer. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let me just show you because I'm already tired. The kids are here. My husband is not here. So I'll be the only one to do the job. And I'm so tired already, you guys. Daniel, don't touch my phone. Ignore the boxes of things that we bought lately. So this is what I and Brian is doing. Brian is helping me. So this is what I do basically. 3 bell peppers, 6 tomatoes. So I'll just use one of these whenever I want to cook stew. So that's what I'm doing. You know, we only have a few tomatoes, just 1 carton. So that's what I'm doing basically.
Can I get tomato?
No, you're giving me the pepper. I'll help you. Doing it, okay? Brian, say hi. Say hi to everybody. So, I'm almost running out of the tomatoes. Keep doing what you're doing now. You're dancing for us. So 6 tomatoes and 3 pepper. Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
2 tomato and 3 pepper.
So we didn't see Scotch bonnet pepper. That was why we bought the chili. You guys, so yeah, Fine, do it on time. We have a lot to do. I've finished portioning the turkey.
There's
yeah,
one
so
tomato.
yeah, put it inside. Let me put 5 more. Do another one.
Peppers.
So she's the one helping me instead of my husband today. She was watching TV and she was like, "Mommy, I think I need to do a better choice." I said, "What?" She said she wants to do what I'm doing. So we are doing it, you guys. And the tomatoes is almost done.
Yeah.
So whenever I need it, I'll just bring it out. I'll put a carton into carton to portion it out. Yeah.
There's still more tomatoes.
Keep doing it. And I still need to take down the vine scale.
Today?
Maybe tomorrow.
You said tomorrow. But today is, what's today? Saturday?
You don't know maybe.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Do it on time. Let's fast.
Because I want to do my hair.
These are the ones. I'm done with the tomatoes.
Yeah,
I want to pack it to take it to the. No, I'm not. Yeah. Increase it to 6 now. Yeah, you can increase it to 6.
1, 2, 3.
Pause the video first.
That's what you want. Okay, I'll pause the video. Hi guys, I got a list too.
So this is 3 carton here, 2 here. I've already arranged all the turkey. This is some of the chicken. So I have 3 boxes now. So why I do this is how I've been doing this for years. So you'll be able to bring it out. It will not be stick. It will not be stuck for you to bring it out. It will be so easy. Anytime we want to bring it out, I just bring it out like that. That's it, you guys. This is all the fish, 1 carton. I put it here and some other things here. Shrimps in a small freezer in the kitchen. This is the aftermath of my aftermath here, you guys. Everywhere is in a mess right now. Here are the tomatoes. I'll just be bringing it out. It's so easy to bring it out. Yeah, so some other stuff here. The turkey, some turkey and chicken are here. So this is what I have in a very big freezer. You guys can see how big it is. It's a very big freezer. Now I have another small one here. These are all peppers. You guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'm so tired. As you can see me, I'm really tired. So that is it basically for how I arrange it. So like, comment and subscribe and share with other people. I appreciate you for coming back. Bye.